hindi ka nakikinig ng salita ng Diyos. Hindi ka nagbabasa ng Bible. Inaantok ka pag nagsasermon si pastor. At hindi priority ang Word of God sa buhay mo. Baka naman hindi ka talaga Kristiyano. Panoorin natin to.
The distinguishing characteristic of true Christians is that they listen to the Word of God. They hear it, they believe it, they love it, they obey it. That's what distinguishes a Christian, not some past act, not some prayer, not some attendance at church. What distinguishes a true believer is responsiveness to divine truth. It finds a place in their heart. They get it. They understand it. Paul says the natural man understands not the things of God. They're foolishness to him. But on the other hand, we who are spiritual have the mind of Christ. We embrace divine truth. We understand it. We love it. We absorb it. We believe it. We proclaim it. So the distinguishing mark of true Christians is that they hear and believe the truth.
Psalms 119, verse 105. Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path. Ang salita ng Diyos, ang Word of God, ang Bible, isa sa pinakamalagang marka na ikaw ay isang Kristiyano, ay mahal mo ang kanyang mga salita. This is Grace and Grind. Please follow and subscribe for more.